Welcome aboard the Mystic.
Come on in, let's have a look inside.
Kajon and I both grew up around boats, and so the romantic aspect of being able to be here in California, stay on a boat, be close to work, really appealed to us. So back a few years ago, we leased a boat for about a 6-month period to see if that would really work. And we loved it. We bought the Mystic that we're on right now, and have been here for almost 3 years since, and we love it. This is the main living area. So it's combined galley and salon, as well as a navigation area. Rain or shine, this is usually the most populous place to be.
Organization can be a problem, so it's always a challenge trying to figure out where we're going to put everything, but we'll make it work.
Yeah. Minimalization.
This is actually my favorite part of the boat. It's the stateroom, our bedroom.
I think one of the first things about sleeping here was in the morning waking up and just seeing that little bit of light that's coming from the rising sun and seeing the mast through this hatch and realizing I'm sleeping on a boat.
This is the perfect evening spot for hors d'oeuvres and cocktails, and there's enough seating to accommodate all of our friends. And if not, a couple of them go up there, and then we have some people that just start dating that stay down there. I don't know why.
So we're in the forward stateroom. We can accommodate 2 people. It's great to relax in here. Sometimes if we don't have guests staying on the boat, I'll use this kind of as my office. It's a great room for Zuzu to relax and enjoy just bobbing on the boat. Everything in real estate is about location. You can have this great kind of $1 million view, but pay a fraction of the cost.
The $1 million view is a couple of $1,000s. I have advice for someone who's thinking about doing this. Do it. Do it. Why wait? These are the kinds of things you put off. Life goes by so fast. I think that's the only problem we have with the boat is we wish we could have done it sooner.